Hi everyone, welcome back for another tutorial. In this tutorial I want to show you how we can easily change the color of the clothes. We've got a fantastic photo right here and the model looks great, but I want just to add a bit more color to the dress. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select and I'm going subject. So Photoshop will select the subject, should be just about right. And now I'm going to just come here and apply adjustment layer and solid color, and I'll just leave it something more vivid, something like so. Cool. So now all I have to do is I'm just going to drop the opacity because I won't just mask out her face. So I'm on the layer mask, D for default, and I'm going to just start painting this with black. So I'm really revealing skin tones, and I would say to you, please spend a bit more time than me. I'm just going to do this very quickly so you get the idea, because I don't want you to be sitting here for too long. Just need to get this sorted as well. Okay, now arms like so, and you could do it with other methods of deleting her skin tones, but I'm just going with a brush. Doesn't take too long and it does a decent job. Obviously I'll spend a bit more time, but it will look good. It will look good. So I'm just brushing away, and obviously if you make a mistake, just X so you can swap the colors around. So like so. Like so. It's looking quite good. Just going to flip the colors around, just this bit in here, and I think in here as well. There you go. And now let's go to the other side, and we're going to do exactly the same thing. I'm using my mouse just because I don't have any battery on my Wacom tablet, and I don't like to have too many cables when I'm doing recordings. But if you have a Wacom tablet, use it. It's your best friend in these circumstances, because it can be a lot more accurate. So we are nearly done. Look at that, very cool. Okie dokie. So now we only have the dress selected. So as you can see now, we can change the colors, but doesn't look too bad, eh? I'm going to change my blending mode. Instead of normal, I'm going to bump up the opacity to 100%, because the reason I dropped down the opacity is so I could see what I was doing, and I didn't see properly. So let's just get this right. There you go, a bit better now. Cool. So on the blending mode, I'm just going to change to soft light, hard light, vivid light. Vivid light works really well. So I'm going to double click on the thumbnail, and as you can see, I can change color as I want. Look at that, how cool is this? And let's go for red. So we go something like so. Let's click OK. Let's see the blending mode. Hard light enhances a bit more instead of vivid, but as you can see, we lose a bit of the texture, so you could actually dodge and burn. I'm going to 100% hard light, and look at that, very cool. And as you can see, super easy, a couple of clicks and we are good to go. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video with everyone you know, and even with those you don't know. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.